Hello and welcome again to our multi-part series that will take you through the deeper dive knowledge of application visibility. Up to now we've shown you how to configure application visibility agents, and in this video we'll show you how to access the Portal Console to modify agent configurations. The Portal Console is a browser-based interface to the configurations for deeper dive agent policies. To access the Portal Console, you can reach it by finding the configuration for your application visibility server. The address or device name of the Portal Console can be found in the Administration Components section of the TrueSight Presentation Server. Once you find the name of the Application Visibility Portal, you can copy that into a browser. I'm going to use the IP address for DNS resolution reasons, but then go to that address, port 8101, using HTTPS, and then use the portal-console page. This will allow you to log into the Portal Console with the credentials of admin and the password of admin. Once in, you'll find that there are several configurations that we can do with the Portal Console, including downloading log files. We can also configure things that we would normally do in the TrueSight Presentation Server, such as configurations for the agents, as well as looking at the agent views themselves. If you go to the agent view, you'll see that this looks very similar to the presentation server. However, there is more information provided here, such as the start time of the agent, the current server it's residing on, as well as other information about the agent itself, like version. Much of that information is in the TrueSight Presentation Server, but it's a little harder to get to, so here it's presented to you in a single pane of glass. If we return back to the configuration links section of the Portal Console, you will see this is synonymous with the agent policy page of the TrueSight Presentation Server. So we have the policies listed here, but we also have this other area called the agent recording. The agent recording configuration is a live configuration that modifies the policies of the agent and tells it what to record. As we scroll through the page, what you can see is the rules that are defined for each of the different types of supported servers that we have. There are descriptions of what these are in the file, but they're not very complete. Certainly we don't recommend that you modify these without knowing what you're doing. If you continue to scroll through, you'll see different properties for different elements. Here we reach the rules section, which allow us to tell what to record when a transaction is found. These rules for recording allow us to pick and choose what parts of each method or class that we want to extract and how we extract that information. With this file, we can modify each agent to collect very specific information. If you scroll to the very bottom of the file, we are able to put in our own custom method and class extraction rules. These rules dictate what hops we see, how deep we go into those hops, what is captured when a transaction is marked. And if you look at the format above of the Tomcat fixed contact length, you'll find that there's a syntax that we follow that has a tier, a contains class, a method, various snap-ins, and modifiers. And it's those elements that dictate what is extracted when something happens. So all of this combined together, the agent policy and the recording rules, dictate what we record, what tiers we see, what code we see, how deep that code goes, and then how we present that in the TrueSight Presentation Server. In the next discussions, we'll be talking about and showing you how to enter your own modifications and dealing with the agent tools on how to deploy these modifications to the agent. Thank you for joining, and we look forward to talking to you on the next video.